This formula is a very useful formula indeed. But how exactly did we get there? Let's find out. So we're going to assume that we have a xy plane. So this is going to be x. This is going to be the y-axis. And let's just say we have a point anywhere on this graph. But I'm just going to draw it here. I'm going to call this point x1, y1. And let's say we have another point called x2. Maybe write that x2, y2. So how exactly will we find the distance between these 2 points? What's the distance? So what we can do is we can construct a third point. With the same coordinates, x coordinates, with the same coordinates, x coordinates as the second point, but the same y coordinates as the first point. So this is going to have coordinates of x2, y1. Well, if you see this, well, we can pretty much just draw a triangle here. And we know that this is a right triangle because, well, this is a vertical. These 2 points have the exact same y coordinates. Oh, sorry, these 2 points have the exact same x coordinates. So that's why we know this is a right triangle. So with a right triangle, well, let's figure out the sides then, because basically we can now see that the distance between the 2 points is going to be the hypotenuse h. So we need to find out the distance of the 2 legs if we want to find h. Well, what's the distance? Well, if you see here, x1 is from 0, 0. This is x1. As for x2, well, it's from here to here. So therefore, the distance of this leg, right over here, this leg, is going to be this distance in red. And what is this distance? It's just going to be x2 minus x1. So the length of this leg is going to be equal to x2 minus x1. I'm going to do something similar for this other leg that I'm going to circle in green. And do the same for this leg. We know that this length from the x-axis, let me just extend it a bit to the x-axis. This length is y1. This length is y2. So the total length of this leg in green, that circle in green, is going to be y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1. Let me separate that a bit more. It's going to be equal to y2 minus y1. So this leg that I circled in green is going to have a length of y2 minus y1. So with the Pythagorean theorem, we know that the hypotenuse squared is going to be equal to the legs squared, the length of the legs, both legs squared, and added together. So this is going to be equal to, we're going to do the x's first. It's going to be equal to x1 minus x, or x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. But since we only want to find h and not h squared, well, we're going to square root everything. So h, let me do this in a different color. H is going to be equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. And that is pretty much everything for the distance formula. So the key insight here is just creating a third point and drawing a triangle and using the Pythagorean theorem to solve for the hypotenuse h. So if this video has given you value, or you like this concise, no BS way of teaching, then please consider supporting the channel. Otherwise, or regardless, thank you so much for your time and attention, and good luck with your studies.